16-79 State versus Brett Reed. Battery in the second.
Brett, I'm telling the court that I spoke with your bondsman this morning, and he's faxed us some information saying that he's willing to stay on the bond, okay? The judge is making a decision about some conditions. Judge, a new scheduling order has actually already been issued in this
really?
matter.
Okay.
So we can follow that moving forward if we just let Mr. Reed know that he's got to get in to see me and
Okay.
get ready for this trial.
Mr. Reed, as soon as possible, you need to make an appointment to go in to see Mr. Bailey, okay?
Yes, sir.
And I'm going to allow your previous bond to stand good. If it's not already a condition of your bond, there'll be no contact with the alleged victim, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Judge, when is he scheduled to come back?
Well, let's see here.
He'll be back here on October 6th for pretrial. Oh, I got that before y'all. You can have that. Got two of them.
I don't see us. No scheduling order, but obviously there is one. You're reading it.
It had them in file marks, but
Oh,
we received it by fax.
All right, you may stand aside, sir. Thank you. 16-39 State versus Gerald Morris. Possession with intent to deliver methamphetamine, possession of controlled substances, marijuana, drug paraphernalia.
Your Honor, Mr. Morris was in front of Judge Webb last week. We held him until today, trying to reach a resolution. I met with Mr. Morris yesterday, and I will inform the court, I'll inform Mr. Morris that I don't think we're anywhere close to a resolution in that case.
Okay, we'll just leave it as scheduled.
Your Honor, Mr. Morris made this request since he is in ADC and he's rescheduled to appear in front of Judge Webb again on September 29th. I don't know if he can be held in our jail until the 29th, but that is one thing that he asked me to inquire of the court.
Well, why don't you, the present order probably says for as long as 15 days. And so you probably just need to work out the time, check with the sheriff's department. We'd have to enter a new order.
All right.
I have no objection to it, of course, but they may have space concerns, you know, at the jail. Okay.
All right.
16-290 State versus Eddie Williams. Breaking or entering, theft of property. Good morning, sir. Do you have a lawyer, sir?
No, sir.
Are you going to hire a lawyer, or did you make application to the public defender's office?
I need one pointed to me.
I'm sorry, say it again now.
I said I need one pointed to me.
Okay. Have you filled out an application?
No, sir.
You haven't? Okay. You understand the allegations against you?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering a plea of not guilty to these allegations?
I'm not guilty.
Okay. Okay, your case is before another judge, Judge Webb. He'll be here on September 29th. I'll have you appear on that date for attorney status, okay? Anything else?
That'd be it.
Okay, thank you, sir. You may stand aside. 16-292, State versus Barry Liner, possession of marijuana, drug paraphernalia, Xanax, clonazepam. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Have you got a lawyer?
No, sir, I do not. I do have this filled out, though. I haven't been able to turn it in.
I'm sorry, you say,
I haven't been able to turn this in.
oh, is that an application for the public defender?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One moment.
If I get a bond reduction, I can get out and start working on it. I could afford
Okay.
my.
Let me do some things here. You understand the charges against you?
I do.
Are you entering a plea of not guilty to these charges?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay. Your case is before Judge Webb, and he'll be here on September 29th at 9:30. You know, direct that you come back on That time for attorney status. Okay. Does this gentleman have any prior convictions?
He does, Your Honor. He's on probation out of State of Louisiana. In addition, Your Honor, my office has this morning revoked a bond. This gentleman has a pending case, 2016-292. You've signed this morning an order to revoke the bond in that case. And now
That's
he's been
right.
charged, in this case, 16,400.
Okay. Well, apparently your bond's been revoked in another case, and let's just leave the bond where it's at, and you'll be before Judge Webb on 29th, okay?
Sir.
Thank you.